In today's video, I'll teach you how to search and find WhatsApp voice messages and notes. So first of all, launch open WhatsApp on your device. You can see over here WhatsApp has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the chats interface. So if you would like to find the audio files, it is actually very simple. For that, tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now once you do that, at top you'll be able to find various options like unread, photos, videos, etc. Find the option for audio and tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see all the voice messages and notes over here. In some of the Android devices, transcription might be available. So in that case, what you can do is simply type in the specific keyword that is included in the voice messages. After that, that particular voice messages will appear over here. So like this, you'll be able to search and find them. So that is how you search and find WhatsApp voice messages and notes. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.